If you rate over 60 and your eyesight isn't what it used to be, if words on the page blur, if street signs are harder to read at night, or if you find yourself reaching for those reading glasses, more often than not you need to hear this. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, opening your eyes, and seeing the world with more clarity, more brightness, and more comfort without any new medication or expensive eye drops. Sounds impossible. Well, what I'm about to tell you may surprise you. Recent research has shown that certain natural snacks, eaten just before bed, can actually help your eyes repair themselves while you sleep. And no, this isn't some internet rumor or gimmick. These are nutrient-packed foods supported by science. Foods that feed your eyes exactly what they need during the body's most powerful healing hours. Today, we'll uncover for bedtime snacks that can quietly work their magic overnight, helping seniors restore clearer, sharper vision. And the fourth one is so overlooked that most eye doctors never mention it, so stick with me until the end. You see, the human eye is one of the most energy-hungry organs in the body. Even when you're asleep, your eyes are working, repairing, regenerating, and detoxifying. But here's the catch. After the age of 60, the body's ability to transport nutrients to the eyes slows down, especially at night when blood circulation naturally decreases. This is why so many seniors wake up with dry, tired eyes or find that their night vision gets progressively worse year after year. The key is to give your eyes the right fuel before you sleep, nutrients that not only fight oxidative stress but also replenish the protective pigments in your retina. That's where these powerful snacks come in. Let me start with a story about a gentleman named Robert, age 72, who emailed me last year. Robert loved reading bedtime mystery novels, but his cataracts and worsening macular degeneration made it almost impossible to read for more than 10 minutes without strain. He was told surgery might be his only option, but Robert wasn't ready for that. Instead, he decided to try adding one of these nighttime snacks, something so simple, yet so rich in lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin E, into his evening routine. Within 3 weeks, he wrote back saying he could read for 45 minutes before feeling any strain. His words still give me chills. I didn't think it was possible for my eyes to feel younger again. At my age, Robert's secret, I'll tell you, it was a handful of roasted pistachios. But more on why they work so well in just a moment. Before we dive into each snack, it's important to understand why nighttime is the perfect window for vision restoration. During deep sleep, your body ramps up production of glutathione, an antioxidant master molecule that helps repair cellular damage in the lens of the eye. Your tears also change composition while you sleep, becoming more nutrient-rich to protect the cornea. If you've ever woken up after a good night's rest and felt that your eyes just seemed brighter, that's not your imagination. By choosing the right snacks, you amplify this natural process. The first snack we'll talk about tonight has been called Nature's Night Vision Booster by some nutritionists. Dried apricots, packed with beta-carotene, vitamin A, and natural sugars that provide gentle fuel to your retina. Dried apricots are like little golden powerhouses for your eyes. Vitamin A is crucial for producing rhodopsin, the pigment that helps you see in low light. Many seniors don't get enough of it, which is why driving at night becomes harder. Eating 4 or 5 dried apricots about 30 minutes before bed gives your eyes a slow, steady supply of this vital nutrient during the first half of the night's repair cycle. In fact, a study in the British Journal of Nutrition found that older adults with higher beta-carotene intake had significantly better low-light vision scores. One of my viewers, Martha, age 68, swears that her evening apricot habit has made her morning walks so much easier because she no longer needs her sunglasses on slightly cloudy days. The second snack might surprise you: a square of high-quality dark chocolate. Not the sugary, processed kind, but dark chocolate that's at least 80% cocoa. Cocoa is packed with flavonoids, specifically epicatechin and catechin, that improve blood flow to the retina and optic nerve. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients delivered to your eyes during the night, which can help reduce morning eye strain and even protect against glaucoma. A 2018 study published in JAMA Ophthalmology found that participants who ate dark chocolate experienced short-term improvements in visual acuity and contrast sensitivity. Think about that. Something as indulgent as chocolate can actually help your eyes function better. For seniors who've lost some of the joy in food due to dietary restrictions, this snack can be both a treat for the taste buds and a tonic for the eyes. Now, remember Robert's pistachios. This is our third snack, and it deserves more attention than it gets. Pistachios are one of the few nuts rich in both lutein and zeaxanthin, the carotenoids that form the yellow pigment in the macula, the very center of your retina responsible for sharp central vision. These pigments act like internal sunglasses, filtering harmful blue light and protecting delicate photoreceptor cells. They also contain vitamin E, which helps stabilize the fatty acids in your eye's cell membranes, keeping them flexible and resilient. Eating about an ounce of pistachios before bed not only provides these critical nutrients, but also offers healthy fats that slow digestion, keeping a steady trickle of nourishment going to your eyes while you sleep. Finally, the fourth snack, the one I teased earlier, is something most people think of as just for breakfast. Kiwi fruit. Yes, that fuzzy green gem you slice over yogurt in the morning might just be the missing piece for your nighttime eye health. Kiwi is loaded with vitamin C more than oranges, and vitamin C plays a huge role in collagen synthesis in the cornea and in preventing cataracts. But what makes kiwi special for bedtime is its unique combination of antioxidants and serotonin. That's right, kiwi contains natural serotonin, which helps you fall asleep faster and sleep more deeply. This means you get not only the vision-protecting nutrients, but also the longer, more restorative sleep that allows those nutrients to do their job. In a clinical trial, participants who ate two kiwis an hour before bedtime improved their sleep quality by 42%. And we know better sleep means better nighttime repair for the eyes. You might be wondering, can something as simple as a bedtime snack really change my vision? And the answer is over time, yes. Not in a miraculous, overnight throw away your glasses way, but in a steady, gentle improvement that you notice when you least expect it. Reading the fine print on a menu without squinting, noticing the brighter greens of the trees outside, or not being startled by glare from oncoming headlights as much. The beauty of these snacks is that they're safe, delicious, and easy to incorporate into your routine without overhauling your diet. When I first began researching nighttime nutrition for eye health, I was skeptical too. But after seeing countless seniors like Robert and Martha experience measurable improvements, I became convinced. These snacks are not meant to replace regular eye exams or necessary medical treatment, but they can be a powerful ally in your fight against age-related vision decline. Think of them as giving your eyes a set of tiny tools each night to quietly repair, polish, and protect themselves while you dream. If you decide to try these snacks, I suggest rotating them so you don't get bored. One night of dried apricots, the next pistachios, then maybe kiwi the next, followed by a little square of dark chocolate. This rotation not only keeps your taste buds happy, but ensures your eyes get a broad spectrum of nutrients. For seniors on medication or with diabetes, it's important to consider portion sizes and sugar content, especially with dried fruit and chocolate. The good news is, the amounts needed for eye benefits are small, so you can enjoy them without spiking your blood sugar significantly. Always pair dried fruit with a handful of nuts or some protein earlier in the evening, if blood sugar is a concern. I also recommend making this part of a calming bedtime ritual. Instead of eating these snacks in front of the TV, prepare them in a small bowl. Sit in a comfortable chair with soft lighting and savor each bite. This mindful approach not only enhances digestion, but signals to your body that it has time to wind down, making it easier to fall asleep and maximize the repair process. Picture yourself 3 months from now, looking out the window on a crisp morning and realizing the leaves seem sharper, the sky a bit bluer. You might not even notice the gradual change day by day, but one morning it will hit you, your world looks clearer. That's the gift of consistency. I can't stress enough how powerful small changes can be when they are done consistently. and paired with the body's natural healing cycles. You're not just eating to snack you, giving your eyes the building blocks they need to fight decades of wear and tear. And unlike expensive supplements, these foods are familiar, affordable, and enjoyable. The key is patience and faith in your body's ability to heal. Our eyes may age, but they are not beyond help. By understanding the science and supporting it with everyday choices, we can reclaim more of the vision and confidence we thought we'd lost. So tonight, as you think about heading to bed, remember this: the path to clearer vision might just begin with something small and delicious in your hand. Whether it's the golden sweetness of dried apricots, the satisfying crunch of pistachios, the indulgent melt of dark chocolate, or the refreshing tang of kiwi, your eyes will thank you tomorrow and for many tomorrows to come.